In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check units and change them easily in AutoCAD. Getting your units right at the start of a project and knowing how to adjust them later helps prevent scale issues, keeps measurements consistent, and makes sharing drawings much smoother. Let's begin by opening the unit settings. You can do this directly from the command line, type units or just UN. Then press enter. If you prefer using menus, click the AutoCAD application icon in the top left corner. Go to Drawing Utilities and select Units. Both methods take you to the same Drawing Units dialog, where all the key controls live. If you are changing units in an existing drawing, start with Insertion Scale. This setting tells AutoCAD what unit to assume when inserting external content like blocks or reference drawings. From the drop-down, choose the unit you need, such as meters, inches, or feet. Picking the correct insertion scale helps ensure that incoming content lands at the expected size relative to your current drawing. Next, set the length type. Choose decimal when you work in metric units like millimeters or meters. If your project is an imperial, select architectural to display feet and inches in a familiar format. Right below that, adjust the precision to control how many decimal places or fractional increments you see. This doesn't change the actual size of geometry. It simply affects how values are displayed, making dimensions easier to read and specify accurately. Move to the Angle section to define how AutoCAD measures and displays angles. For most design work, decimal degrees is a clear standard choice. If your workflow or standards require it, you can switch to radians. As with lengths, set the angular precision so that bearings, rotations, and angular dimensions show the level of detail you need. If you are working with rendering or photometric lights, check the lighting units. Choose American or International to match the standard your visualization tools or project specifications expect. This keeps illumination values consistent when producing realistic lighting results. When everything looks right, click OK to apply your changes. Keep in mind an important note. Updating units changes how AutoCAD interprets and displays values, but it does not automatically rescale existing objects. Geometry retains its current size. After changing units, take a moment to confirm critical measurements, especially before inserting external content or sharing the file. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.